homographs. What is a homograph? Well, it is a word which is spelt the same way, but has two different meanings and two different pronunciations. So here we have this word, D-E-S-E-R-T. When we stress the second syllable, we get the word desert, to leave. So that's this one over here. My arm is cut off, but oh well. So if you desert the army, that means you leave without telling anyone. However, when we put a stress on the first syllable, desert, we get this sort of sandy place like the Sahara. So a homograph, graph means letters, homo means same, so it has the same letters, the same spelling, but it's pronounced differently and has two different meanings. Here we need to select the word that is similar in meaning to the words in both sets of brackets. The answer option we're looking for will be a homograph, and it will have two different meanings. There's one definition here, and another definition over there. Choose the word that matches both meanings. So whilst game does match the first meaning, i.e. match competition, a game does not mean oppose or question. So it only fits one set of the synonyms. In addition, defy matches oppose and question. However, it does not match and competition. Similarly, resistance is vaguely similar to oppose and question. You would find them in the same context. However, it is a noun, whereas oppose and question are verbs, or at least in this context, question is used as a verb. This leaves us with our answer contest or contest. So that is a sneaky little homograph where once again the stress placement makes it a different word. So a contest is a match or a competition, but if you contest something, you are opposing it. In the first set of brackets, circle, hoop, they describe a round shape, kind of like this. And we can also describe that shape as a ring. In the second set of brackets, phone, call, they're being used as verbs. So to phone someone, to call someone, or to ring someone. Now let's practice everything we've learned so far. What we need to do is select the homograph from the answer options that have two meanings, one that matches the first set of brackets, one that matches the second set. So separate is a homograph. If something is different or distinct or separate, it is an adjective. So it means it's away from the main group. So everyone's here and then this person here is different, distinct or separate. However, when we use it as a verb, as in the second set of brackets, we are separating something, we are dividing something, we are segregating. So here it's used as an adjective in the first set of brackets and used as a verb for the second set. This time, oh, homographs, okay. And B is absolutely right. So it is a homograph, which means it's spelled the same, but can be pronounced differently and have two separate meanings. So in this first set of brackets, we can see that advance and continue are verbs. So if we want to advance something, we want to continue it, we want to progress something. So here the stress placement is on the second syllable, we want to progress a project, for example. In the second set of brackets, development, growth, these are nouns. One big clue is that the suffix ment is always added to words to make them a noun. So here, instead of to progress something, we are wanting to hear about the progress. So the stress changes based on the meaning of the word. So what's the progress on the project versus I want to progress the project. Watch out for progression. It is, well, it shares the same root. It has the word progress in it, but it is not right. It's only a noun.